Hi guys, so my mom really loves these cookies and I thought maybe I could make these cookies for her channel and show you how they're made, and I hope you guys enjoy. So these are what the cookies look like when they're done. They're like this brown color, and they're like darker brown on the top and they're golden brown, and they are a little bit soft, and that's what that looks like. And if you break one, this is what it looks like. You break it, and yeah, so your cookies are done. So these are the cookies I made for my mom. Hope you guys like the recipe, and please like, share, and subscribe to my mom's channel. Also click that bell icon for notifications on future recipes, and just hope you guys enjoy. Thank you!